terminal golf high rail truck coming to the station! Geek, 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 geek! I see nothing too. Oh well, let's see what it looks like at Winkler Avenue after the hurricane. Dang. What the hell? Is that a light thingy over there? Good night, Fort Myers, Florida. Sweet dreams, don't let the bed bugs bite. Yep, absolutely nothing. Real quick, bonus. Let me see if that red thing I placed like 2 months ago is still there. Yep, it is. That's that red light I just placed like almost 2 months ago for the Hanson Street Tour. Okay, yeah, no one seemed to notice. I'm pretty sure no one even cared. Right now, we're in the middle of waiting for a train to come. Coming that way, heading like this way. So, yeah, stay tuned for that video. And wish me luck. So guys, even though we finished, while we're crossing Palm Beach Boulevard, you could still see the train. Like, look over there. See? Told you. I don't know if they stopped or not, but who cares anyways, because it's over now. So, well, that was a job well done. Anyways, this is today's date, July 14th, 2023, recorded by Jordan M. This is Jordan M. signing out. So have a great night, everyone, and bye. Now the gates are going back up at Marion because we're going through Marion, although, I mean, I asked to go to Marion, but at least I caught the gates going back up. So that's another one of those bonus videos. Look at that. Look at that. That's in the middle of, it already passed E Street already. I can even hear the noise of the 502 that has their red lights on. So yeah, that dinner train finally passed all 10 crossings in this area, so yeah.
Lunch. It's a good time for lunch. It's a really good time to get some lunch. Yeah, so please, just so sorry to cut you off. Shush, just a little quiet now. The line.
Alright, kid, shut up, who's laughing? Update / news flash, everybody. I realized the signal, the mechanical belt on the southern crossing of Lemon Street is not a Western Colonies. It's a federal signal, so you got your final answer. And yes, everything is still the same from the last time I toured here, but at nighttime. Get ready for the Palm Beach Boulevard crossing to go off. There it goes.
Lights are on. He almost ran that gate.
Did he? He sure did. Hey, yo, for real, man. Wish me luck on the chase. That's what I'm gonna be doing now. Yes, dude, finally, about time. It's getting much more closer to its approach to this crossing. With the new JA cantilever they installed last year as well. Meanwhile, this one might be either Fabricated Metals or Lincoln Industries cantilever. And everything is RSI LEDs except for the JA. It has GE uniform LEDs. So, alright, wish us luck on the chase. It's getting more closer than it was when I started recording, you know. Okay, everybody. We made it to Gator Road, right next to Lika Road. That has a railroad crossing over there as well. There's 595 leading with 597 for the second lead, I would say right now. And they only have one center beam. It's about to turn, and that guy's gonna flag the crossing because that crossing over there does not work and they don't have any gates. So, and that median signal mast just went missing like a year ago. Got knocked down, so there it goes, guys. There goes the horn action. I hear it. By the time it reaches to that white and orange pole thing, probably that's what causes these crossings to start activating. So also this west signal right here got recently updated with a GS Type 3 E-bell. It has to be a GS Type 3. So yeah, it used to have a wacko mechanical bell. I never got footage of it activating before, so there it goes. There it goes, crossing Alika Road. Yep. There it goes, it's crossing. I mean, there it goes crossing, that's what I meant. JA cantilever on the south side, south signal, and Lincoln Industries or Fabricated Metals north signal cantilever. And it's drizzling right now. It's drizzling right now. So I hope they make this quick. So anyways, wish me luck on the chase. Our last final chase. It's about to be epic. Okay, I'll remember that being there. Yo, holy shit! I never seen this much bees in my entire... Dude, are you that serious? How much honey is even in this thing? Is that what they came for? Dude, oh my god, if I mess with them, I end up in the hospital. I'm dead serious. Dude, what's up with all the signatures? Was that from one of the rail fanners? I believe so.